Hey loves, welcome back to my page. I am back with another video. I am with my little sister,
Rhonda. Hi everyone.
We are back to do a video for you guys. It's gonna be a fun video and I felt that I got the right person.
We shall see.
But anyhow, I went to the 99-cent store and I picked up some snacks and we're gonna try them. So the first snack we're gonna try is, you wanna try this one?
Yeah, let's do that one.
Okay. It's called, what is this called? Sriracha's corn sticks. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So you open it up and try it. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like this.
You guys, I'm on a diet. So really, I'm not even supposed to be eating this. But let's try it.
You try it. How you feel about it? You like it?
It tastes kind of greasy.
Oh.
Huh.
I don't like it. It don't got nothing. It's like,
I don't taste no.
yeah, it's like,
What's that? Lemon.
yeah.
Chili and lemon. I don't really taste it.
Con chili e lemon. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
This is a
Thumbs down.
thumbs down.
I don't like that one. And this is
What on?
rice and beans, Boulder Canyon.
Dang, girl! Don't hurt me!
We probably gonna have to cut it.
Girl, you have to rip it. Jesus.
Okay.
Ugh.
It doesn't smell that well, but
Ugh.
it doesn't smell appetizing,
Yeah.
but don't judge a book by its cover. Rice and beans.
These not bad.
They're not bad?
Yeah, I taste the beans at the end. They ain't like, they're not that bad, huh?
I kind of like them. One more.
At the end, the beans, huh?
Oh, Chipotle cheese. It also says, I guess the flavor is Chipotle cheese.
But hey,
Okay, no more.
would you buy them? You like? They're okay. Yay or nay? We gotta do up or down. Let's not do none in the middle. None in the middle.
Yeah, I'll buy it.
You buy 'em?
I'll buy it.
Up.
I'll
Yeah.
buy it.
Yeah, buy 'em. So these are
Tortilla chips, meat. What is that?
where? No, roasted corn on the cob, flavored tortilla chips.
Roasted, okay, and
That's
blue.
it.
It says blue corn.
Oh, and it's gluten free.
Yeah,
Gluten free, you guys.
gluten free. Yeah.
And they're black chips. We're gonna see what this is. That was easier to open. So we'll try it together.
Oh, they're just regular tortilla chips, huh?
No, but they have like a thing to it.
I like them. I like them. I got them on my own.
These are the best.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, those
my
are
God.
the best. They're really good. But I do like these too, though.
Do you?
I like like.
Oh my god.
Yeah, those are good.
They
Those are good.
put guacamole. Oh my god. These are A.
Not too funny, huh?
You always do.
Oh, I'm good though.
So
So our first one's thumbs down.
these
Those are
thumb
thumbs
down. These they're good.
I like them.
You like them or
You're
like 'em?
you're mixed, huh? You're
Yeah,
mixed
I'm
up.
in the middle.
Yeah, she's in the middle.
I'm
Me,
in-
I'll buy them. I like them.
Yeah, she likes all that weird stuff.
That one I like, but I'm not a.
This one you love. I love this one.
I do too, but I like that one more. I like
Do
this
you?
one, but I'm not a tortilla type girl. I don't really buy
Oh
too
my
much
God, these are so
like
good.
tortilla chips like that. But they're good though. I like chips with more flavor.
Garlic.
Yeah.
So we are all done with this
Girl.
greedy. we are all done with this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and happy holidays. Bye.